Hello everyone, my name is Kalicha Agosino Korie, and today I am going to be showing you two things. It's all related to images, image editing, photo editing in Canva, and I hope we do learn one or two from it. Now the first one, I'm going to be really quick with this so I don't get to waste much of your time. Now the first one I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can edit photo. Very simple way to edit photos. Some of you might know about it, while others might not. Now, without wasting much time, let's jump right into it. Okay, so the first one I'm going to be showing you is an effect that you can apply to an image that is going to spice that image up. So this one is very easy. I'm going to show you the first one before I move on to show you the second one. Now we'll locate the photo I want to use. I'll go back to photos and I want to use this, and then I'll go over to edit image and remove the background first. This you cannot remove the background of an image if you don't have a pro account, okay? But if you don't have, maybe you're using the free version, you can just use an external site to remove the background, and remove the BG will do that for you. So we have successfully removed the background of this image. This image looks good. Okay, it's already sharp and clear, but we just want to add something to make it look better. Now we're waiting for this to go. So it's showing saving post here, and I'm just going to click on it and give it a few seconds so it does not affect the whole design when we're done with it. It's showing saving post, saving post. We are waiting. I'm just gonna go ahead and increase this, bring it here. So as you can see, the image is okay. The image is nice, it's clean, and we're going to be applying the effect now, waiting for this to show that yes, we're good to go, but we're still waiting. I wonder why the delay. You know that feeling when you're done with making a lot of changes, editing, almost done with your design, and then you get an error message that it's not saved. That means you have to go back all the way to the beginning and start doing it all over again. So that's what I'm trying to avoid with this. So we need to make sure that there's not a saving pause here, but we're good to go. Okay, so we are good to go. Now I'll click on the image, go over to edit image. Now first of all, I want to change the background to maybe a dark. So let's use something like this. Then I'll click on the image, go over to edit image, then come to filters and click afterglow effects. Now you can see the difference. This is the previous image, the way it was before, and this is it after we've applied the afterglow effect. It enhances the image, makes it look more brighter and more sharper, so I use it a lot. Now let's go back again, the previous one, then so I'm going to duplicate. Let me show you. So duplicate this so we can see. Now this one has the afterglow effect. So you can see the difference between the first one and the second one. This one has no effect, no filter, and then this one has a filter. So you can see the difference. This would really spice up your design and make it look much more attractive and sharper. So I hope we've gotten that point. Now let's move over to the next option. So I'm going to take this off, delete this. I'm going to delete this, and then I'm going to delete this. Now the next option is an app in Canva. Okay, so you go over to app, search for enhance. Okay, it's an enhancer app. This is it. So we're going to select the app, which is this. I'm going to click on enhancer. I'm going to click on enhancer. This is it. Click on it, and you're going to see an option where you get to upload an image to enhance and upscale. And you can, this is where you select the first. I'm going to click on choose file and look for the image that I want to enhance. So I'm trying to locate it, trying to locate the image. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Oops. Where? This? No, not this. Close. I'm gonna take it up. Okay. So this is the image I'm going to select. I'm going to click on this and click on open, and there's an option here for you to enhance the face. So I'm going to take it and then click on enhance image. Now I want you to see the magic. We're going to wait for it to enhancing your image, and we're done with this. Enhancer has successfully uploaded the media to your library. Now you can click add to design. I'm going to show you the difference. Okay, add to design. Okay, so this is it. I want you to look at it carefully. So this is the enhanced image. All right, I don't know what this is. So this is the enhanced image. Now let me show you the original image. So can you see the difference? Can you see the difference between this and this? Look at it closely. See how the face is enhanced, and look. Now, you know I love this. Even if the quality of that image is really low, you're still going to get a good result. So before and after. This is before we enhance the image, and this is after. See how smooth the face is. See how clean and sharp the image is compared to the previous one. So with these two options, trust me, it's gonna make your design to look much more attractive, much sharper, and clean. So if you have any questions, you can let me know. But for now, it's just hang on for the next tutorial, and I hope you learned a thing or two. My name remains Kelechi Okori, and I'm a Canvassador. So bye bye, guys. Later.